Well, for this year, our Enduro project bike is a 2019 EC300 GasGas. Now, we love this model bike, and the guys down at Brayside GasGas said, sure, take this on as a project bike for the next 12 months and see what you can do to it. Well, there's not a lot that we can do to this bike, let me tell you. Out of the crate, this bike is absolutely fantastic. So we've made a few modifications, some things that I like personally on a bike, but not much more after that. Let's start at the top of the bike. We started off with a pair of Pro Taper handlebars. They're a Ricky Carmichael bend. Now, we married them up with a pair of Pro Taper grips. I like these grips. They don't have any waffles on them, so they're a little bit smaller diameter, which fits my hand perfectly. Chad from Chad's Off-Road Suspension has just cleaned the suspension up. It's still in stock form. All he's done is worked his magic on the inside of the suspension so that it moves a little bit freer. So the guys down at Unifilter have supplied air filters for us. As part of the GasGas race parts, GasGas have supplied us with radiator braces. Now, these radiator braces will protect your radiators from being squashed or damaged if you do happen to fall off in the bush. Now, something that's very exciting and first time for me is we're running Mousse tubes. Now, these are Nitro Mousse tubes, which contain a high concentration of nitrogen. I don't know what that means, but it gives you a much plusher feel, they say, and it eliminates that dead feel. They also tell me it lasts 2 times longer than other mousses. Well, we'll just put that to the test and see if it's true. Now, of course, on the outside of the mousses is Pirelli Tires. Now, I've run the same combination for a very long time when I'm riding in the bush. At the front, I run an MX32 mid-soft. Now, at the rear, I run an Extra X. Now, this tyre gives me great grip, but also a good lifespan as well. Now, in the chain and sprocket department, we've gone with RK chain and sprocket. The quality on the RK product is absolutely superb. That's why we've been with them for so long. So as you can see, we've made very few changes to this bike. A few personal ones, handlebars, grips, but stock as a rock, the EC300 is absolutely fantastic out of the crate. And you can get on one of these from Urban Motor Finance at just $50 a week, so you want to check that out. Well, I'm going to go and have a ride on it, see what it's like, and tell you what it feels like with just these few little changes. Okay, so we've just come back from a test ride of the Enduro project bike, which I said is pretty much stock standard just for a few little things. Now, something that is new for me is Mousse tubes. Now, they feel exactly the same as having a tube in there, which I'm very excited about. The big bonus, of course, is you know that you're not going to get a flat tyre when you're out there riding. Now, some of the standard things we've done is change over the oil and put motor oil in it, and we're using the Power Plus fuel. Other than that, this bike is pretty much stock standard. So how does this perform in the bush? Outstanding. The more I ride this bike, the more I'm getting used to riding a 2-stroke, and the more I want to put Ks on it. I can't wait to do a lot more riding in the bush with this thing. So follow us on YouTube and Instagram and see what we get up to throughout all of next year on the GasGas EC300.